launching you straight out. It was phenomenal.
The launch is amazing.
When you rocket out of the gate in the first part and then you kind of coil up again and then shoot off again later on.
Takes me by surprise every time.
Definitely everything I was expecting.
There's the part where you go like all the way to the top real fast and you get to see the whole land from the top.
And then goes a little downward spiral. That's one of my favorite parts.
My favorite part was going up and down right here.
Goes up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. That was the best part.
I love Slinky Dog Dash. This was amazing. I was so excited I got to come here and ride it today.
I'm willing to get on it a couple more times. Everyone's gonna love it.